Welcome once again to the Trouble North Digital Review, and this is the Civil Service Exam Review course. Ngayon naman po ay pag-uusapan natin ng isang technique na bihira na tinuturo. It's not taught in review centers na ginagamit sa pagkuha ng civil service examination. Sinasabi nga nila dito na this is one of the techniques na pwede niyong i-incorporate sa iyong pag-review. This is brought to you by Civil Service Examination Review Course, and this is Raymond Basco. Okay, ano nga ba ang tawag dito na technique? Daming problema sa pag-review, pagkuha ng Civil Service Examination, no? Pero marami ding technique on how to pass the examination. And one of these is the mindset over memorization method. Na, alam naman natin yearly, many are taking the civil service examination and marami din ang pumabagsak. It's not what they know or what they think. Marami din sa atin ang nagre-review ng solo. Marami din sa atin ang may sleepless nights sa pag-prepare. Yet, despite the efforts and the preparation, marami pa rin sa atin ang pumabagsak. Since the inception of the Civil Service Examination, ay hindi pa ata na 50% ang pumasa sa Civil Service Examination. Mas lalo na sa CS Pro. So, what seems to be the problem? No? So, foremost, alam naman natin na ang Civil Service Examination is the gateway. It's an opening door for us to be able to enter the government service if you want to enter the Philippine Civil Service. Critical ito. And sinasabi nga nila dito na it is the door opener. Historically, yun nga, marami ang bumabagsak at hindi pumapasa. It's not yung most of the examinees do not understand or know the subject, but it's more likely of the anxiety and the self-doubt that is clouding their preparation. Yung kaba, meron yung kaba dyan sa prepare for the civil service examination. So, sa review na ito, sa strategy na ito, sa technique na ito ay isang uri ng review na hindi naman nalalaman ng it's not about technical jargon or it's not about reviewing ng ilang oras, but it's more on preparing you mentally to have unshakable effort or have unshakable confidence that will serve you beyond test day, hindi lang sa test day. Magbibigay ito ng actionable insights kung paano mag-prepare. There would also be strategies and techniques that would be taught to you. And whether you are a first-timer or a retaker who have fallen short before, this guide will surely refresh your perspective and change the way you prepare and perform. It's more likely that it will make you focus. It's more likely that you will be focused during the examination. So are you ready to dive in? But before that, click the subscribe button so that you'll be knowing more of the techniques on how to implement your review as you prepare for the civil service examination.